it's Jasmine, and today I'm bringing you guys my annual Thanksgiving food-inspired look. Today's look is cranberry sauce. Yes. I thought long and hard about it because I had so many food options that I was thinking about. I've done honey ham and brownie batter so far. This year's cranberry sauce. I was debating pumpkin pie, gingerbread, something, I don't know. But for some reason, cranberry sauce spoke out to me the most because it was the most festive to me, in my opinion. So I hope you guys all enjoy this look, and I hope you guys enjoy day 3 of my Makeup Revolution series as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. This eye look is channeling 2016 Jasmine. I am so excited because I haven't done a maroon smoky eye in a very long time. So I want this look to be inspired by cranberry sauce, as the title suggests. So today I'm using one of the brand new Makeup Revolution palettes. This is the Regeneration Legendary palette. This comes with an array of purples, red tones, cranberry tones, and then this pop of blue. Let me tell you guys something real quick. So as a person who has had many palettes, I hate it when palettes just have a pop of blue. Like, there's no complementary color for this. Like, there's no additional matte blue or anything like that, and it's just like, why put it in there? Yes, it's cute, it's marbled, but I'm not gonna use it, you know? And you know who the biggest culprit of popping that blue in their palettes? Too Faced. They always do a damn pop of blue. I'm tired of it. I am so tired. For this holiday season, or actually for next holiday season, I don't want to see any palettes with just a pop of blue or a pop of green. No, we need more. To start off the look, we are using the shade called Deal. I'm actually going to be using some of my MOTD brushes today because they are the only ones that are clean right now. This shade is pretty dark, but we will kind of sheer it up and out. I didn't quite blend this out because I'm going to mix Deal with Proven. I'm going to get it very evenly on my brush and then tap off the excess. And then with whatever is left on the brush, we are going to go ahead and blend it into the crease. These shadows are really stiff, but when you continue blending it, they blend in seamlessly, which is really nice. I know some people don't like formulas that are super stiff, but I find that once you find the right way to blend it out and sheer it out, then I think it's fine. For this eye look in particular, I'm actually going in circular motions as opposed to windshield wiper motions. Maybe that might be your trick in case you have a shadow palette that you feel like is hard to blend. So for the shimmer, I'm going in with this shade down here called Helm. And this is a very interesting shade because it's shimmery, but it's also metallic, but also a little glittery. There's just a lot of things going on in this shade, which is so beautiful. I think it'll look amazing in photos. With this brush called Masterpiece Crease, we are going to take this shade up here called Armor, and we are going to apply this right in our outer V. With my Physicians Formula Eye Booster pen, I'm going to go ahead and create my wings with this. I'm going to make my wings pretty tall. I don't want them to be long, but I want them to be pointing up instead of out. On the Sultry Smudge Brush, we are going to take the shade here called Truth, and we are going to pop this shade into our inner corners. I look really weird, but I ended up not liking the lashes. So I originally was wearing Lilly Lashes Miami's, and I think I want to transition into Mykonos. My reason being is that I have really uneven eyelids right now. This one is a double lid, this one is just my regular eyelid. So I'm just gonna go in with something that I know will look good. And for this eye, whenever I have uneven eyelids, I want this one to be as close to my natural lash line as possible. And then on the eyelid that is just a little bit more big, I will kind of lift it up off of my lash line and do it more on the eyeliner itself, so it looks evened out in the end. Push it up so it covers some of my folds, and as you could see, it kind of just looks more even. So I think with my journey with uneven eyelids, I just find myself gravitating towards bigger lashes and then darker smoky eyes. That's just how I deal with it. And some days, you know what, I'll just live with it. Some days I will do those natural lashes, even though it does emphasize my uneven eyelids. But for today, and because, you know, I will be around like a lot of people and I, you know, am going to an actual party, I do want to actually look, you know, kind of dramatic still. You know, if I ever close my eyes or blink, people will still see that I do have like a cranberry smoky eye going on and it's not completely covered by the actual lashes. So with that being said, let's go on into finishing our eye look. I'm going to take a Marc Jacobs eyeliner here. This one is in the shade Fine Wine. I'm going to go ahead and apply it all on my waterline. So on our pencil brush, we are going to take a couple of colors. I am going to mix Proven here with a little bit of Deal and then a little bit of Armor. So kind of the same 3 shades that we've already been working with. I've taken that on the tip of this brush. I'm going to look up into the mirror and the tip of the brush is going to touch my lash line. And it's going to focus right in this outer corner here, because if I take it too far in, it's going to be a little too heavy. So I want all of the focus to be in this outer corner, and then with whatever is left or with lighter pressure, we are just going to run the residual in the inner corners and blend it lower. Don't forget your bottom mascara. Since the party is until a couple hours from now, I do want to make sure my bronzer is a little bit darker so that it lasts throughout the entire day. I'm using the Makeup Revolution All About Bronze palette. I mixed in this shade here with the darkest shade in the palette. The darkest shade has a little bit of marbling, so it's a little bit shimmery, but honestly, I love that. So we are just going to go ahead and stipple this onto the face. So when I was in high school, 2016 me, I loved doing like an intense smoky eye like this, and then I loved my bronzer. I preferred bronzer way over highlight and blush. Like I just was bronzer crazy back in the day. So I'm excited to actually bring this one back, you know. This is such an iconic look and I feel like it goes with everything this holiday season. What's going on? We're going to use another Makeup Revolution palette here. This one is the Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold palette. I'm going to mix all of the blush shades together and then I'm going to use the cream shade as the highlight. Honestly, this is such a look. I hope you guys recreate this. Like I hope that this inspires you to actually do something bold and loud. Oh my god. And then this highlight, oh, still one of my favorites. Look at that. Oof. I love traveling with this palette, honestly, because I can make these work as bronzers. Usually I have to go in with something a little darker though, but you know, this is a great face palette for traveling and I love it so much. Just gonna go ahead and highlight the divot in my nose there, the tip of my nose as well, and then the chin. Oof, yes. And then before I forget, I'm going to quickly run some eyebrow gel into my brows. I always forget this step, so whenever I have time or whenever I do remember, I love taking like a tinted brow gel. Mine's just from Covergirl. Works great. I think a nude gloss would look real good with this look because this is a cranberry sauce look after all, and I think the lips just have to be like juicy and saucy. So I think I want to do this lip combo. I've never done it before, so I'm kind of nervous. But I'm going to take my Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in the shade Coco Loco, which is a dark chocolatey brown. And then I'm going to use my Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow as just my lip gloss for today. Alright everyone, that was my video. Hope you guys all enjoy. I did try styling my hair, but it just won't move from this mullet, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. It's totally fine. Well, I have to work in like a couple minutes, and then I also have to go run errands, and then I have to go to the party. So I got a busy day ahead of me, and I'm so glad I was able to get ready with you guys here and recreate an iconic look that I used to do every single day my senior year of high school. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video, and I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow for Thanksgiving. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.